Tesla's Gigafactories are some of the world's most advanced factories out there. And these factories are used primarily for battery production and also for EV manufacturing. Right now, we have Gigafactories in places like Nevada, Fremont, New York, and Shanghai. And these are fully operational. Right now, we are seeing a surge of supplies for the Gigafactory in Texas. And it looks like the factory will be up and running really soon, and today, let's talk about that. Hello there and welcome back to the Space TechZone. But before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this, and while you're at it, turn on the post notifications so that you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Drop a like for the video if you are a huge fan of Tesla. With all that done, let's get started. Tesla makes the best electric cars out there, and they did create a revolution in the entire automotive industry. But do you know how they did it? Well, the answer to that has to be the Gigafactories that made Tesla what it is today. Tesla will be soon beginning its production at the Gigafactory in Austin. This is a very important factory for Tesla because it will be the first vehicle factory that Tesla will be building from the ground up in the United States. Yes, Tesla already has a factory in Fremont, but it was built by General Motors way back in 1962, and it was acquired in 2010. So Tesla did not build that factory, but they ended up retrofitting the existing factory to make it available for the production of electric vehicles. But this was way back in the day when Tesla was just starting out as an electric car manufacturer. Right now, Tesla has the capital to invest in a factory and build it from the ground up. And that's exactly what Tesla did with a Gigafactory in Nevada for batteries, electric motor, energy products, and also this factory does have Panasonic battery cell production. The other factory of Tesla is the Gigafactory in Shanghai, and that too is built from the ground up. So what's exciting about Gigafactories? Well, these projects are really huge considering the investments that the company is making for it to be fully functional. And there's a lot going on with the Gigafactory in Texas and everything surrounding it, which is why it will be attracting so many suppliers. You also need to consider the fact that Tesla today sells a lot more electric vehicles than ever before, so the suppliers will be able to make a profit with each Tesla sold. Right now, Tesla is manufacturing about 500,000 vehicles in the Fremont factory, and that area is now a hub for automotive suppliers. But we know that the Fremont factory was from General Motors, so you would expect the Gigafactory in Texas to be much larger and much thoughtfully built, with high-volume vehicle programs being introduced at the factory, which will include the Model Y, the Cybertruck, and the Tesla Semi and the other upcoming vehicles from Tesla. So what kind of suppliers are we looking at with the Gigafactory in Texas? Well, we have Plasticon, which happens to be an injection molded plastic manufacturer based in Hayward, California, that is also responsible for supplying Tesla's Fremont assembly plant by providing plastics to the factory and other industries. It was the Austin Business Journal that reported that Plasticon has leased out 100,000 square feet facility in nearby Kyle in Texas that will be producing components for Tesla. Next up, we have Swim One America, which happens to be a U.S. business unit of South Korea's Myeongshing Industrial, and they will be opening an auto body part facility in Kyle. Swim One also supplies Tesla assembly operation in Fremont. The company and other related subsidiaries supply Hyundai, Hyundai Steel, and suppliers Hyundai Mobis, as well as Tesla in China. Next, we have ElringKlinger, which happens to be a German supplier of parts and engineering services for electric vehicle programs, and this particular supplier will be building a $17 million plant in San Antonio. ElringKlinger will be responsible for the supply of cockpit cross beams for the Tesla Model 3, and we already have the same supplier supplying the same component in the Fremont factory as well. Now, another German company on the list has to be Sauersick Engineering. And this company is right now owned by U.S. conglomerate Matthews International Corp. Of Pittsburgh, and this supplier will be building a plant in San Antonio with its primary focus on EV battery production. We also have Steel Dynamics, which is rumored to have secured a contract to supply steel for the Tesla Cybertruck exoskeleton. And we know that the Cybertruck happens to be a completely different vehicle for Tesla because of the material choices and also for the manufacturing processes, and Tesla will need to come up with new manufacturing methods for the Cybertruck, which is why we still don't have the Cybertruck right now. Tesla very recently shared that the company is looking forward to starting production at the Gigafactory Texas by the end of this year, starting with the Model Y. With the new factory in Texas, Tesla will also be hiring around 10,000 employees till the year 2022. which means that there will be a lot more opportunities for people who always wanted to be a part of Tesla's Gigafactories, and Elon Musk has stated that this has to be one of the best places to work in the world despite the stress that comes with working at the Gigafactory. The best part about working with Elon Musk that even high school graduates without a college degree can apply for work right after finishing high school. The Giga Texas is located in such a way that there is an airport nearby, and it's also 15 minutes from downtown and is right on the Colorado River, according to a tweet by Musk on March 31, 2021. By making things a lot more accessible for people, Tesla will be creating opportunities for entry-level roles for individuals that have the passion and the drive to work with Tesla, and also to help Tesla fulfill their goals of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. So what exactly is the current status of the Tesla factory in Texas? Well, there are preparations for the Model Y production going right now, and there are few images from inside Giga Texas that were leaked online. And these images show that a test vehicle production line is now functional at Tesla's giant car manufacturing plant in Texas. The Gigafactory will be rolling out its first test and calibration Tesla Model Y electric SUV, and these pictures are from early August 2021. So right now, the factory would be in a much better state of progress. There is a lot going on with Tesla's Gigafactory, and we'll get a test track at the Gigafactory Texas as well. And most likely we will also witness the Cybertruck racing in the same test track, because the Cybertruck happens to be a pickup truck with the performance of a sports car. Now, there used to be a time when Gigafactories were all about making lithium-ion battery cells. But that is not just the case right now, and these Gigafactories have evolved to be an end-to-end renewable energy solution providers. Gigafactories are also designed in such a way that they are the main hubs for renewable energy storage. We know that Tesla is leading the game when it comes to manufacturing electric vehicles and batteries, and Tesla, with its partnership with major battery manufacturers, is making their own batteries, which is why Tesla can price its cars much more competitively compared to other electric car manufacturers out there, even though the prices are still on the higher side, all thanks to batteries being on the expensive side, and batteries cost at least 40% of the entire cost of the car. Every other car manufacturer out there that is building electric vehicles depends on external battery suppliers for batteries for their vehicle, and this will drive up the cost. So having a battery manufacturing plant is good for both Tesla and its customers, and someday we will soon see a much more affordable Tesla, especially considering the fact that the 4680 battery cells are much more advanced than the current 2170 battery cells that Tesla uses with all of their cars. These batteries will also be produced in the Texas Gigafactory. Tesla will be continuing to expand its operations outside the USA, which was evident from the fact that Tesla set up factories in China, and also there is an upcoming factory in Berlin. The presence of Gigafactories around the world will make it possible for Tesla to cater to the growing demands of electric vehicles all over the world, and Tesla is still a relatively newer company. So it makes a lot more sense for them to have a lot more factories around the world, and they could even share resources and research and development from other Gigafactories as well, which will be a win-win situation for everybody that are planning to buy an EV, and also for Tesla. It's a very exciting time to be in, and we know that the future of transportation will be electric, and Tesla is now at the forefront with its product offerings. With that, we have come to an end with our video. What do you think about the new Gigafactory in Texas? How far will we have to wait for Tesla to roll out vehicles from the Texas Gigafactory? Do let us know in the comment section below, because we would love to hear from you all. Consider subscribing to our channel for more content just like this one. And while you're at it, turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Drop a like for the video if you're a huge fan of what Tesla is doing with the Gigafactories. That's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you all in the next one.